sessions, and this is my cow, Good Vibes Only. This cow was inspired by this eye that's very common in many cultures all over the world. And the meaning is that it's a protective eye. So what I wanted to offer to the Children's Hospital family is to offer them hope, and also a message of protection of, you're warded, and good vibes. Keep negativity out of your life, and especially during this hard process. So as a local artist here in San Antonio, it's been just such an honor to be part of this, and because it's really a dream to do what you love, and then on top of that, be able to help your community and do something with a meaning. It's really having something that I think it's a once in a lifetime experience.
My name is Anthony De Leon Sr. I am a local artist. I also represent Christus Children's. I work in the orthopedic department. Our nonprofit hospital, we depend on programs like this. We depend on funding like this. So it's a great opportunity for us to showcase what we got. The design that I picked for this originally is a Talavera design, and something that represents San Antonio in a huge way. And the reason for it is because we use it on an everyday basis, from our cups to our plates, to we see it during Fiesta and off Fiesta throughout the city. So the color brings, a nice little royalty to it. And so I had to add a little bit splash of gold to it and make it shimmer a little bit, just for, I wanted that shimmer to just pop out, just for the children, so that way they can see it and be like, that is awesome.
I am a visual artist here in San Antonio, and this cow over here is called Artemisa, and she's inspired by different things that are surrounding me, my art period of different styles that I've been channeling to. In here you'll see a lot of nature, a lot of ceramic plants or flowers, and basically I wanted to incorporate the chandeliers that I always paint on all my Dancing with Ghosts as a symbol of a higher power. And also the birds in there are hummingbirds, and they become kind of like this idea of human and nature all put together in one place. Also, I wanted to explore different styles. This is a style I've never done before. And something I love about this is that it was inspired by Talavera. As a Mexican-American artist, I'm very excited that I got to do that.